Hello everybody. This machine is the automatic KF94 headband mask machine. Okay, we can check the finish sample. Headband, not ear loop. It is much better than ear loop because we already used the mask more than 1 year. The ear loop mask will be, our ear will be very hurt. But if you use this kind of mask, you will feel very soft and very nice. Your ear won't be hurt. And this machine speed is the 30 to 45 pieces in 1 minute. This machine is very hot sale in Korea. We already sold more than 2,000 sets to Korea. And this is our new machine. We can check the system. We have English, Chinese, and Korean. Also, we have Turkish, Spanish, many kind of different language touch system you can choose. And this machine is for the headband welding machine. You can see the total. You can see the total machine. This is the headband welding machine, and this is the mask body machine. And this mask body machine with the correction device. Because a lot of clients say they don't have enough engineer to adjust the mask machine for now. Our machine add the correction device. It is automatic to correction the fabric to the right position. Here he has the valve, and here is the sensor. When the sensor tests the fabric won't be not at the right position, and it will be automatic to the right position to this valve. Because this mask machine is using the 4 layers fabric, so we add the 4-piece correction device. And this is the feeding material fan, and we use 4 roller fabric, 3 layer fabric. And our special design is the waste fabric device. We can check later. And this is no spin. This is no spin feeding device. Okay, we can check. And for this correction device, it has many different language. We can check later. Language, you can say many kind of language you can choose, so it is no problem for you. And this is no spin feeding device. You can say. Okay. For the KF94 masker, it needs the 4 roller. The first is for the outside valve. You can see. And then need the folding to the shape. Okay, you can see this is our mask molding touch screen. We also have Chinese, English, and Korean system. Also have any other system. And this is the middle braid mold. Okay. And this convert belt is feeding the mask to the welding machine. And this device can run flat or turn round rotary. The then here have a sensor. Here have a sensor to test the mask can here or not. If mask not can here, and then the welding pad won't help welding. And this is special than a normal mask machine. You can see the headband use the clip. The headband fitting here, the running, and use this clip to get to here. This distance can adjust, and they have knife here. Okay, we can see. For the welding part, we use 2-piece ultrasonic. This is the ultrasonic mode. You can see the finished welding action is very nice. And then we finish the first headband and then continue to the second headband here. So this part is the second welding head. And use the clip to get the headband. So you can check. So you can check these two sides. This is 2 thin clip and 2 thin welding head. So this machine total use the 2 ultrasonic for the welding part. Okay, we can check the feeding plate here, mask feeding plate, and we use the cover belt to output the mask. This is the finished sample. You can check very clearly. This finished sample. It is very beautiful. For the mask molding machine, we use the 2 ultrasonic. One is for the outside valve, and one is for the inner side printing. Picture you can see 1 ultrasonic use inner side valve, 1 ultrasonic for the outside shape. So this machine total use the 4 ultrasonic for KF94 fish mask machine. Okay, we can check. Okay, we can check machine detail to see what small motor it use. You can see this is useless small motor. And also this 2 is small motor. This 2 is small motor. Also this small motor. And this useless cycling. And this is the headband feeding device. Okay, we can check the electric bus. We use total 10-piece small motor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 10-piece small motor. 4-piece step motor. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 PLC. 信捷 PLC. So that's why this machine can running very good and stable, because we use the best small motor to control the machine and easy to operate. If machine has any problem, it can adjust in the touch screen. Okay, we can check the back of machine. This special design is for the machine waste material. You can see the two parts, two parts of the waste material output. If you put this waste material on the ground, it will be very big. But we use the We use this machine. It can running very tight to roll. You can see, and it can help you to see the to not to take too much space in your workshop. You know, so you can see it is very good design. Okay, we can pair this KF94 mask to the KN95 mask. You can check it is much better, much beautiful than KN95. And this machine is more small. It's much small size and weight. It can help you to save the electricity free. Okay, we can check the ultrasonic what we use. These two ultrasonic is use the digital ultrasonic with the touch screen. And for the mask body machine, we use this. Okay, let's get out. Use this ultrasonic. You can say 2, 1, 2. So we total use 4-piece ultrasonic. You can see it very clearly, and you can see. And this machine is a much faster headband KF94 fish shape mask machine on the market. This is our showroom. You can see our showroom. We have produced many kind of mask machine very clearly and a good design. Also, you can see we have big size KF94 for European people because they have many big size people, and this is for the child mask, kids mask, KF94 fish shape mask for the children. And this machine is for the adult mask. You can see different size. This also is customized by Europe clients. All of KF94 mask machine with the correction device. Our machine is very hot sale in Korea and Turkish and England, Italy, many Germany. Okay, you can see this is adult mask body. It is big size for Europe people. Oh. Okay, we get this mask from the welding machine because we use the wire. We use the wire to folding the ear loop. You can see this is the ear loop folding device. And this machine not finished adjust. Okay, this is finished sample. Also we have the KF94 packing machine, mask packing machine. You can see this with mask. This is our showroom. Thank you very much.